going on, guys? Jay that Drain Guy. We are in a basement apartment today, and you can see that the sink is backing up. Now, the tenant said that they had a guy here, and he used to shave a lot, and so we're just gonna check to see if it's just on the inside, because that's kind of what my thought is going to be. So you can get these little plungers off Amazon, Home Depot, anything like that. So what I like to do in this situation, I wet the paper towel. This has 3 overflow holes. Just wet it. So you can see it is draining, so we know it is going to be just inside here. Yeah. Yeah, so just looks like some beard hair. So, you know what, guys, this is going to be a nice easy one, nice quick one. And I'm kind of glad because it is a pedestal sink, and I don't like dealing with pedestal sinks. Now what they say, leave it cleaner than when you found it. So, just want to make sure everything's running good, because this is an easy call. Want to make sure they're getting their money's worth. And, well, that's So now we're just going to fill it up and drain it out. So we're going to let it fill up to the overflow. And in the meantime, I'm just going to clean this stopper. Almost as good as new. So those who know me know I like to recommend letting the water fill up right to the overflow fairly often, once a week, once a month type of thing, and just have that water running in there. Kind of cleans out the overflow, because that can dry out and bacteria can grow, and you can even get smells from that. All right. All right, that's awesome, guys. So a couple things. Let me know how the volume sounds to you guys. I put the mic on my shirt. Somebody recommended that. So let me know what you think. And then if you guys liked the video and you haven't subscribed, give it a subscribe. I'm trying to get to, we're at 12,433 as of right now. I'm recording this. So yeah, if you guys can help me out with that, but only do it if you like the videos. If you don't like the videos, don't do it, obviously. I don't want subscribers that don't like the videos. So until next time, thanks for watching. Trogna.